Hey guys, Justin Russell with RussellMarineProducts.com. Got a quick installation video coming here on our new Lowrance Ghost cable management system. This will work on 47, 52, and 60-inch trolling motors here. So we're going to pop this thing open here, show you how to do that. Got an active target 2 transducer mounted on my lower shaft here, and we're going to show you how this works here. So first thing when you open this up, you're going to have 3 smaller diameter cable management clips, and you're going to have 2 larger ones. So the Ghost trolling motor has 2 different size shafts. So here's your smaller ones right here. Just easily clip on the shaft of the trolling motor on your smaller diameter shaft. Then we've got 2 larger ones right here. So first thing, super easy, going to push these on, clip them in place. And A, simple as that, okay? B, what I like to do is a little bit differently. So guys have these mounted on here. Your transducer cord can free move behind your cable management clip. I like to go ahead and secure these with electrical tape. Nothing else. I don't want to get them stuck on a piece of wood where we fish in Kansas, grass, docks, and flying off. So, but 2, I want to keep these as low profile as possible. Our goal with our cable management system was to keep it as low a profile as we can, just so it doesn't get caught on stuff when fishing line especially, we've seen that. So let me grab my electrical tape. All right guys, it doesn't take much. It just takes a couple wraps of electrical tape on each clip here. Again, I'm going shaft around the clip. I'm making sure I do not get electrical tape on the cable, because again, I want that cable to be able to free move up and down. So you can move these, position these wherever you need. Wrap a couple times here, and just wrap electrical tape around every clip, and you're set, you're ready to rock and roll. So super easy install, guys. Be sure to check it out, RussellMarineProducts.com.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.